Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in your GoFundMe account. GoFundMe is a fundraising platform where you can raise funds for any kind of events, charity or any cause that you think is important. So in order to sign in your GoFundMe account, first of all open any browser of your choice. Here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.gofundme.com. Press enter. Now you can see the official website of GoFundMe. If you see at the top, you can see several options like search, donate, fundraise, about, sign in, start a GoFundMe. Since you want to sign in your account, you have to click on sign in. Now you will be led to the sign in page. Here you have to provide your account details. In the email address box, you have to provide your email address, and in the password box, you have to enter your password. So now click on the email address box and type your email address. Now enter your password. Now all you have to do is click on the sign in button that is at the bottom right corner. Now you will be sent a verification code in the mobile number that you had provided earlier while creating this account. Check out the verification code. Now type the verification code. Now you can see here I'm officially signed in my account. So that's how you sign in a GoFundMe account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.